Let me switch up the flow, I'm done riding low, I'm ready to put on a show. Let me show you everything I know, let me make up for missing the 10 toes down. I'm the new talk of the town, what do you think of me now? I'm getting loud while I'm smoking this loud. Who am I to pass per pound? Lyrically, I'm so profound, hard to impress like Simon Cowell. Fucking so good that I move her bows. Call her Sandy cause she got the cheeks. No go cause she swallowed the meat. Squad don't get it like the heat. Sit down, you're gonna let me tell you what you need, cause Uncle Jay is about to preach. You need a smart mind mixed with hard time, a desire to grind. I'ma tell you now, don't cipher mine, cause that'll be your life on the line. Guarantee if you put in the time, practice your own design, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, yeah. Let me remind you that I still spit. Nah, I ain't for the trip, but let's take a trip down memory lane when all I really wanted was the fame. To shoot as good as the Dame. 2 years later, I ain't the same. Spend less time on the game. I don't really care for the fame. I just want a name and to win for the click that I claim. I can officially say that I'm in the game. I don't want no chain to define me. I just want a label to sign me. Look, comfy in the whips that I'm riding. Articulate to the day I'm dying. Stay grounded in life so that in death I may be flying. Forever in life I'm trying, stay humble when big dining, going gold, no silver lining. The broskies we stay hyping, driving fast when we are driving, cause we have no fear.